Trezor wallet versus BitBox02 wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare two of the top hardware wallets, Trezor and BitBox02, to help you determine which one is the best fit for securing your cryptocurrency. Trezor Wallet is a well-established name in the crypto space, offering excellent security and a broad range of features. The Trezor Model T supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies and is known for its ease of use, thanks to its touchscreen interface and simple setup process. It provides strong protection against online threats, with private keys stored offline. Trezor also integrates well with software wallets and DeFi platforms, making it a versatile choice for users who want flexibility. It's ideal for both beginners and advanced users who need a reliable wallet for long-term storage across various assets. Its extensive security features, such as passphrase protection, make it a solid option for users looking for peace of mind. BitBox02 Wallet, on the other hand, focuses on providing a minimalist, secure experience. It's designed to be a simple yet highly secure option for users who prioritize top-tier security but don't need as many features as Trezor. BitBox02 is compact and easy to use, with a touchscreen interface and supports over 1,500 coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major altcoins. One of its standout features is its fully open-source software, which enhances transparency and trust. The BitBox02 is especially appealing to users who want to protect their crypto assets with cutting-edge security, but prefer a more streamlined approach, without the extra complexity of supporting too many assets or features. Both wallets excel at security, but Trezor offers a more feature-rich experience with broader cryptocurrency support and integration. BitBox02, however, is a great choice for users who want a simpler life, highly secure option with fewer distractions. If you're looking for a hardware wallet that balances advanced features with ease of use, Trezor is a great choice. For those who value simplicity and security, BitBox02 is worth considering. Check the description for links to both products and decide which one suits your needs best.